How to use PNC Bank's mobile deposit feature. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use PNC Bank's mobile deposit feature. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the PNC mobile banking application on your device. If you do not have the app, then go ahead and download the application. You can easily download PNC mobile banking app from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you have opened the application, make sure you are signed in. Mobile deposit is a feature of PNC mobile banking. Use of the mobile deposit feature requires a supported camera-equipped device, eligible PNC Bank account, and PNC Bank online banking. So make sure you meet the criteria of using mobile deposit feature firstly. Now go ahead and log yourself in, and once logged in, you can view your amount in the bank as well as your account details. Tap on the menu option on the top left of your screen, and after that tap on the deposit option. Now, you will be required to select another account where you want to deposit the money. So go ahead and select an account. Once you have entered the correct account credentials, you will be led to the camera automatically. You will now have to click the front and the back picture of your check. Keep in mind that the signature on the check must be there. You now have to confirm the details of your deposit, so confirm the deposit and tap on send. If your check qualifies the verification process, the funds will be made available, but the entire process might take a few days for completion. So, this is how you can use PNC Bank's mobile deposit feature. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.